Here's a quick tip how to get the best audio from your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 has an option to record dual audio with the built-in mic and the lav mic from DJI, or in our case, the Hollyland Lark M2. The built-in mic has the option to record scratch audio, but it needs to be activated. Let me show you. First, you connect the receiver to the USB-C port, of course, so you can have the audio from the mics, and then you go in the menu and you activate scratch audio. That's all you have to do. This means you can have a backup audio in case the wireless mic cuts off, and you can synchronize them in post.
We can show you a situation where you can use this scratch audio.
This is why this feature is also very helpful. Because if you film the subject like this and the audio comes from me and the video comes from me, it's perfect. Of course, it's in sync. But if the camera goes away and films something else, it still needs the audio and he needs to talk to the camera. And the main thing is you can cut this audio off in case I talk something that doesn't relate to that footage. You have two separate files in post. Now let's do an audio test. Do you think these tulips are real?
So this is a test. Now I'm speaking close to the camera with a built-in mic. Do you think these flowers are real or fake?
Now I'm talking away from the camera with the wireless mic. And now I'm talking away from the camera with the wireless mic. Let me show you now on the computer how to copy files. You want to select the WAV file, the video file, and you drag both of them in Final Cut in my case. You want to make a new project, you name your project, you drag the audio. Let's do a quick test.
Now I'm speaking close to the camera with a built-in mic.
See how good? Dual audio recording on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hit the like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time!